Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Yaris hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your car, typically found on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard. It often has a small icon of a car with its hood open. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a distinct click. This action unlatches the hood from its primary locking mechanism, preparing it for the next step. Now, move to the front of your Toyota Yaris. Gently lift the hood a few inches and look or feel for the secondary safety latch, usually located in the center, just under the front edge. This is a small lever you'll need to push up or flick to the side. Once you've released this secondary latch, you can fully lift the hood open. With the hood open, you'll need to secure it safely. Find the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Unclip it and extend it. Then, insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot or hole in the engine bay. This ensures the hood stays open securely while you work, preventing it from accidentally falling. To close the hood, first carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its holder. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot above the engine bay. For more great tips and deals, including smart speakers, check out the links in the description below. Finally, press down firmly on the center or front edge of the hood to ensure it latches completely and securely. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.